Hello guys, once again welcome to my channel Barch with Sank. Hope you like the strategies which I show in my videos. In today's video, I'll be teaching you an interesting strategy which you can use it in your wars as well. You might call this strategy as witch slap because it includes mainly witches. The firepower of witches may be low, but if used correctly, witch is a pretty overpowered troop. Witches keep on summoning skeletons until they die, which in turn keeps our witches safe from the defenses. Let's try this strategy and see if it works. Now let's see if we can 3-star Town Hall 9 base with this. This base looks pretty max, just the walls are of low levels. Let's attack this base now. Let's start our attack by using the minion over here, as there are no defenses in range. Let's start with the witches now. Use them as far as you can from the base. Make them walk towards the base so that while walking, they summon skeletons. In every attack, wall breakers play an important role, and so in this. You must use them wisely. Use freeze and poison on the CC troops when they appear. Accidentally I took an extra rage in this attack. According to me, only one rage would have been enough. Use heal spells whenever necessary, or when the witches are getting splash damage by the wizard tower or mortars. As you can see, the wizard tower is taking out our skeletons, so take them out as soon as possible. And the skeletons will do rest of the job for you. This base looks pretty much wiped out. Almost all the defenses are taken out. Our ballers also did a pretty great job. Use your archer queen's ability at the end when she is dying. We have one wizard tower left, but I guess she can take it down. Done. You can see that the minion which I used at the beginning is still alive, and also I used another one just now. Easy 3 stars, so many skeletons alive, pretty good strategy. The main aim is to keep our witches safe with the help of skeletons in this strategy. Now let's try one more base with this strategy. This base also looks pretty good, and the walls are of high levels as well. Let's see if we can get 3 stars on this base. Same troops in this as well. Start by using witches at both the corners of the base for proper funneling. Then use the rest of them in between. Next, use the wall breakers. Use raise spell so that you can destroy maximum walls. Looking good. We got through the second layer of the wall. Let's see if we can kill the CC dragon. Our queen has gone the either way though. No worries, witches can take it out, and also we have our poison spell and freeze spell. Use them on the E-Drake. Almost dead, yes. I have used all of my heal spells, but the base is looking pretty much wiped out. Let's see if we can get 3 stars. There is a large group of defenses in this section, but we also have ample of witches alive. I guess we can get 3 stars on this base. Once again, you saw that how we got 3 stars using just witches, and also it proves that witch is one of the strongest troops in Clash of Clans. Now that you know how to use this strategy, you can also try it out in your wars. You may also tell me in the comment sections below, and if you have any questions you can ask them out as well. Give a thumbs up on my video and also share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are watching my video for the first time. Until then, take care, goodbye, thank you.